Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by opening Luobu and navigating straight to boxes. Once there, select the target box and review access rights. You need sharing enabled to continue. If permission is off, toggle share or invite and pick role limits. Make sure the box metadata, name, ID, and short description is accurate. This prevents confusion for recipients. Save changes and stay on the box detail page because the next steps send that exact information to others. You tap Share and choose how to deliver the box info, a link for broad access, a contact for one-to-one, or a group for teams. Once recipients are chosen, set permissions to match intent, view for read-only, edit to allow changes, admin to transfer control. Then add a short message explaining context, set an expiration date if needed, and add a password for sensitive boxes. After reviewing those settings, hit Send. Luobu will generate the share and notify recipients. You verify delivery by asking recipients to open the link or view the shared box in their Luobu app. Confirm they see the expected name and contents. If someone can't access it, resend the link, regenerate the share token, or temporarily loosen permissions while you debug. Make sure both parties run the latest Luobu version and have internet connectivity. If all else fails, revoke the share and recreate it. One key troubleshooting tip: if access fails, check expiration and password fields first.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.